Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. Strings in C++ are not just about storing text. They are about shaping, converting and rearranging text with precision. In this video, we will explore some fascinating ways to manipulate strings, which are inserting new text, converting string into numbers and back, and even reversing entire string using built-in C++ functions. So if you are ready to strengthen your understanding of string operations and make your code more dynamic, let's get started.
Insert method in C++. The insert method allows you to add characters or another string at a specific position inside an existing string. Its syntax is string.insert, then inside braces position comma str bracket close and semicolon. So here position is the index where you want to insert and str, it is the name of the string that you are inserting, and str is the string that you want to insert into the existing string. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see an example of how to use the insert method in C++. Here the program objective is adding a title to a name. The expected output is updated name colon Mr. John Smith. Coming to the code, hash include iostream, then using namespace std semicolon. Int main, now inside brace, string name is equal to in double inverted commas John Smith and semicolon. So here we have initialized a string. The name of the string is name, and what is the value stored in the variable name? John Smith. Then we are performing the insert operation with the help of the insert method. Name.insert and then inside braces 0 comma and then in double inverted commas Mr. bracket close and semicolon. So name, this is the string in which we want to insert the new string. Then insert, this is the name of the method 0. This is the index number at which we want to add the string, and which string are we going to insert? Mr. So then cout in double inverted commas updated name colon and then we will print the updated value of variable name. What will be the updated value? It will be Mr. inserted at 0th index number, so it will be Mr. John Smith. Then endl semicolon returns 0 semicolon and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Updated name colon Mr. John Smith. stoi and stof methods in C++. To convert strings to numerical values in C++, we use stoi and stof methods when reading input as strings from a file or user input, for example, and transforming that data into numeric types for computations or logic. These functions are particularly helpful. A string can be converted to an integer type, int, with stoi method, and a string can be converted to a floating point number, that is float data type, with stof method. Its syntax is int number is equal to stoi and then inside bracket we will write the string value bracket close and semicolon. So this is used to convert string to integer, and the next syntax is float decimal is equal to stof method and then inside the braces string value bracket close semicolon. So this syntax can be used to convert string to floating point number. Let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how to use these methods in C++. Here the program objective is converting age and height, and the expected output is age colon 25 years, height colon 5.9 feet. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon, then inside main string age string is equal to in double inverted commas 25 and semicolon. Then string height string is equal to, in double inverted commas, 5.9 and semicolon. So we can see that though 25, 5.9, these two are numeric values, but because we have declared them to be type string, we have written them in double inverted commas. Now let us convert this string type data into integer and float. For that we will write int age is equal to stoi method, and then inside this method we will insert the value of the variable age string. So what will happen? The data type of this variable age string will be converted from string to integer. Similarly, float height is equal to stof method, and then inside the method we have inserted the value of variable height string. So it will be converted from string to float data type, bracket close and semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas age colon, then the value of variable age, which is the converted value of age string. Which is the value which has been converted from string to integer. Then in double inverted comma years and endl semicolon. Again cout in double inverted commas height colon, then the value of variable height, which is again the converted value from string to float of variable height string. And then in double inverted commas feet endl semicolon. Return 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. So age, this is printed from here as it is, then the value of variable age, which is 25, and then years as it is, and similarly height colon 5.9 feet from this second statement. This is how we use stoi and stof methods in C++. Reverse method from algorithm header. C++ provides the reverse method or function from the algorithm header, which can reverse the characters of a string in place. Its syntax is reverse, then inside braces start iterator, comma, end iterator, bracket close and semicolon. The best part is that it works not only for strings, but we can also use this method to reverse arrays and vectors. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how to use the reverse method in C++. The program objective is reversing a sentence in a language exercise, and this is the expected output, reversed sentence colon, and here we can see the sentence is reversed. Generally, we start the sentence with a capital letter word, which is here, and we end it with a punctuation mark, which we can see at the beginning of the statement. So it is a reversed statement, which is expected to be received in the output. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream and then hash include algorithm. So we have discussed that the reverse method comes under the header algorithm. So whenever we want to use the reverse method, we have to include the algorithm header file. Then using namespace std semicolon int main, then inside braces string sentence is equal to, in double inverted commas, learning C++ is fun, exclamation mark, then double inverted comma close and semicolon. Now let us reverse this sentence using the reverse method. So reverse, and then inside braces we have written sentence. The name of the string is sentence. So sentence dot begin comma sentence dot end. That means we want to reverse the whole string from beginning till the end. Then bracket close and semicolon. Now let us print the output. So cout in double inverted commas reversed string colon, then sentence, the value of the string sentence, which will now be a reverse string, endl semicolon, return 0, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Reverse string comma, and as you can see, The actual sentence was learning C++ is fun. And this is what we got after reversing this. So this is how we use the reverse method in C++. Last but not the least, toString method in C++. The toString function performs the exact opposite of stoi function and stof function, which means it converts numbers into string format. Its syntax is string, then the name of the string is str value is equal to, then toString method, inside braces we have written value and then bracket close semicolon. So this converts int, float, double, etc. data types values into a string. Let us go to the CodeChef platform and see how to use the toString method in C++. The program objective is student grade report and the expected output is student : John Doe, math grade : 85, science grade : 92. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon. Now inside main we are declaring the variables for including student's detail. String student name is equal to, in double inverted commas, John Doe semicolon. Int math grade is equal to 85 semicolon. Int science grade is equal to 92 semicolon. Now we can see that math grade, this variable is of data type int right now, and we have written 85 without double inverted commas, which means 85 is stored in variable math grade as an integer value. Similarly, 92 is stored in variable science grade as an integer value. And now we are going to convert these values into string. So we have declared a variable math grade string which is of type string, and in this we will insert the value of this variable math grade whose data type is right now integer, and after conversion it will be string. So string math grade string is equal to toString, then inside the method toString we have inserted the value of variable math grade, bracket close and semicolon. Similarly, string science grade string is equal to, then method toString, and inside this method we have inserted the value of variable science grade, bracket close and semicolon. Then string grade report is equal to, in double inverted commas, student : plus student name. So here it will print the value of the variable student name which is John Doe, then plus /n, which means this text will be printed in a new line, math grade : then the value of variable math grade string will be printed plus again /n, which means this will be printed in a new line, science grade : then the value of variable science grade string and then semicolon. Now we will print the value of the variable grade report, which is this complete piece of code, and then endl semicolon, return 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. So this is exactly similar to the expected output.
And that wraps up our discussion on advanced string manipulation in C++. We learned how to insert new content into strings, convert between string and numeric data types, reverse text, and generate string values from numbers. These techniques are simple yet incredibly powerful. So do not forget to practice using these methods on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.